Welcome to our guide on how drip irrigation can save you water and money in your garden. Here, in our gardens, we tend to our plants with care, providing them with the water and nutrients they need to thrive. But in our efforts, we sometimes use more water than necessary, precious water that could be conserved. There is a way to be more efficient, to create a garden oasis that flourishes while respecting the delicate balance of our planet's resources. Every drop of water is precious, particularly in the delicate ecosystems of our gardens. Traditional watering methods, while well-intentioned, often result in significant water loss through evaporation and runoff. Drip irrigation, a targeted approach to watering, offers a remarkable solution. Imagine, if you will, tiny water droplets seeping slowly into the soil, directed precisely where the plants need it most. This is the essence of drip irrigation. By delivering water directly to the root zone, we minimize waste and maximize efficiency. Studies have shown that drip irrigation can reduce water consumption by an astonishing 30 to 70%, a testament to its effectiveness. For a small garden, approximately 100 to 200 square feet, this translates to saving between 1,500 and 3,000 liters of water per month. In larger gardens, those spanning 500 to 1,000 square feet, the savings are even more dramatic, reaching an impressive 4,000 to 8,000 liters per month. To put this into perspective, consider that a single unit of water, equivalent to 1,000 liters, is a substantial amount. With drip irrigation, depending on your garden size and watering habits, you could save 1.5 to 8 units of water every month. This conscientious approach to watering not only benefits your garden, but also contributes to the conservation of our planet's most vital resource. Establishing a drip irrigation system in your garden is a remarkably accessible endeavor. For the avid gardener with a smaller plot, a basic do-it-yourself drip kit can be acquired for a modest sum, typically between $25 and $75. These kits are remarkably versatile, capable of covering an area of approximately 100 to 300 square feet. For those with larger gardens or a desire for automation, more sophisticated systems are readily available. These systems, often equipped with timers for added convenience, range in price from $100 to $300, representing a worthwhile investment in efficiency and convenience. For expansive gardens or intricate landscaping projects, professional installation may be the preferred option. The cost of professional installation can vary depending on the complexity of the system and the size of the area to be irrigated, typically ranging from $500 to $2,000. It is important to note that these figures are approximate and can vary based on factors such as location and the specific components chosen. However, the key takeaway is that drip irrigation systems are available at a range of price points to suit diverse garden sizes and budgets. Investing in a drip irrigation system is an investment not only in the health of your garden, but also in the long-term sustainability of our planet's water resources. The beauty of drip irrigation extends far beyond its water-saving capabilities. It's a holistic approach to gardening that yields multiple benefits, both tangible and intangible. In regions where water is metered and billed, the financial savings from reduced water consumption can be substantial. For those who opt for a basic drip irrigation system, the cost savings alone can often pay back the initial investment within a remarkably short time frame, typically between 6 months to a year. Imagine recouping your investment while simultaneously conserving water, a true win-win situation. But the benefits don't stop there. Drip irrigation also promotes healthier plant growth. By delivering water directly to the roots, we avoid wetting the foliage, reducing the risk of fungal diseases and promoting stronger, more resilient plants. Furthermore, drip irrigation can help suppress weed growth. By targeting water only to desired plants, we starve competing weeds of the moisture they need to thrive, resulting in a tidier garden with healthier plants. The rewards of drip irrigation are manifold, encompassing water conservation, cost savings, and improved plant health. It's a testament to the fact that sustainable practices can be both beneficial and economically sound. As we've journeyed through the world of drip irrigation, we've witnessed its remarkable ability to conserve water, save money, and nurture thriving gardens. but its impact extends far beyond our individual backyards. From the bustling metropolis of New York City to the historic gardens of London, from the fertile plains of India to the dynamic landscapes of China, drip irrigation is making a tangible difference. Stay tuned for inspiring examples of how drip irrigation is being implemented around the globe, transforming agricultural practices and contributing to a more sustainable future. Thanks for watching.